Cellular is one of the fastest growing and most demanding telecommunication application. Today it represents a continuous increase in percentage of all the new telephone subscription around the world. Currently there are more than 45 million cellular subscribers and nearly 50% of those subscribers are located in United States. It is forecasted that cellular systems using a digital technology will become the universal method of telecommunication. By the year 2005, forecasters predicted that there will be more than 100 million cellular subscribers worldwide. And it has even been estimated that some of the countries may have more mobile phones than fixed phones by the year of 2000, and it actually has been. The concept of cellular service is the use of low power transmitters where frequencies can be reused within a geographical area. The idea of cell-based mobile radio services was formulated in the United States at Bell Labs in early 1970s. However, the Nordic countries were the first to introduce the cellular art services of commercial use with the introduction of the Nordic mobile telephones in 1981. In the early 1980s, most mobile telephone systems were analog rather than the digital, like the today's newer systems. One challenge facing analog system was the inability to handle the growing capacity needs in a cost-effective manner, and as a result, digital technology was welcomed. The advantage of digital system over an analog system includes ease of signaling, lower levels of interface, integration of the transmission and switching, and increased ability to meet the capacity demands. Throughout the evolution of the cellular telecommunication, various systems have been developed without the benefits of standardized specifications. This presented many problems directly related to the compatibility, especially with the development of the digital radio technology. And GSM standard is intended to address this problem. So I am Disha Shukla and welcome to this session. Now this session, as you already know, is about GSM. So what is GSM? GSM is a short form for Global System for Mobile Communication, mobile systems. Global System for Mobile Communication is a globally accepted standard for digital cellular communication. GSM is the name of a standardized group established in 1982 to create a common European mobile telephone standard that world formulate specifications for a pan-European mobile cellular radio systems that are operated at 900 MHz. It is estimated that many countries outside of Europe will join the GSM partnership. The GSM, that is the Global System for Mobile Communication, is a mobile radio standard for fully digital radio networks, which is mainly used for telephony, but also for the circuit switched and packet switched data transmission and short messages. It is the first standard of the so-called second generation as successor of the analog system of the first generation, and is the most widely used mobile radio standard worldwide. GSM was created with the aim of offering a mobile telephone system that allowed subscribers mobility throughout Europe and offered voice service compatibility with the ISDN or the conventional analog telephone networks. In GSM, geographical area is divided into hexagonal cells whose size depends upon the power of transmitter and load of the transmitter. At the center of the cell, there is a base station consisting of a transceiver and an antenna. GSM systems was developed as a digital system using the time division multiple access, that is TDMA techniques for communication purpose. A GSM digitizes and reduces the data, then sends it down through a channel with two different streams of client data, each in its own particular time slot. The digital system has a ability to carry 64 kilobits per second to 120 megabits per second of the data rate. GSM provides recommendations, not the requirements. The GSM specifications defines the function and interface requirement in the detail but do not address the hardware. The reason for this is to limit the designers as little as possible, but still to make it possible for the operators to buy the equipments from different suppliers. The GSM network is basically divided into three major subsystems, that is the switching system, the base station system and the operation support system. And some of the useful features of GSM include that it uses encryption to make the phone calls for security. Data network is a feature. Group 3 facsimile services are provided in GSM. Short message service for text messages and paging. Call forwarding, caller ID, call waiting and multi-party conferencing, etc. are some of the features of GSM. GSM uses a variation of time division multiple access and is most widely used of the three digital wireless telephony technologies, that is TDMA, GSM and CDMA. Briefing it all, GSM maximizes the utilization spectrum efficiency by using FDMA, TDMA, CDMA or OFDMA, and it maximizes the power efficiency because the battery levels will work more. And it minimizes the complexity because the system is simple, and it minimizes the cost because it should be minimized as per the customer's need. So this is all about GSM. If it's not clear, kindly contact. Until then, keep learning.